There's a certain electricity in the air, a palpable sense of renewal that comes with the first light of day. As the sun begins its ascent, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the world awakens from its slumber. This feeling washes over you, a gentle reminder that each day is a new beginning, a fresh start. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, mingling with the crisp morning breeze. People stretch and yawn, shaking off the remnants of sleep, ready to embrace the day ahead. The world feels fresh, ripe with possibility. Dew glistens on the grass, birds take flight, and the market begins to buzz with activity. It's a symphony of life, a testament to the endless opportunities that lie ahead. It's in these moments where the veil of yesterday lifts and the horizon stretches out before us, that we find clarity. The long road ahead, bathed in the golden light of dawn, beckons us to move forward, to chase our dreams with renewed vigor. In these early hours we feel most alive, most hopeful. There's a sense of community, of shared purpose as people greet each other with smiles and children play in the park. Families gather for breakfast, sharing laughter and stories, building the foundation for a hopeful day. Hope. It's a word that carries immense weight, a beacon in times of uncertainty. It's the quiet strength that keeps us going, the whisper that tells us to hold on just a little longer. Often, hope is whispered in times of darkness, a flicker of light in the vast expanse of uncertainty. It's the comforting hand on a shoulder, the shared glance that says, "We will get through this." Hope is a beacon cutting through despair, a lighthouse guiding us through the fog of doubt. It's the sunrise breaking through the clouds, a hand reaching out to lift us up when we fall. Hope isn't just a fleeting feeling, it's a powerful force. It's the determination in an athlete's eyes, the unity in a protest march, the compassion in a volunteer's heart. It drives us to be better, to strive for more. It's the engine that drives progress, the spark that ignites change. In offices, construction sites, and laboratories, hope fuels innovation and collaboration, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The spark that ignites change. When we embrace hope, we light a candle in the darkness, set off fireworks of possibility, and seal our commitments with a handshake. We open ourselves up to the possibility of a brighter future, one where challenges are met head-on and overcome. In the laughter of children, the unity of a community garden, we see the seeds of a hopeful tomorrow, a future where dreams, once distant, become tangible realities. The climber reaching the summit, the students eager to learn, the sports team huddling before a game, all embody the spirit of hope. And as we achieve our goals, celebrate our milestones, and come together as families and communities, we realize that hope is not just a feeling. It's a way of life, a guiding star that leads us to a brighter, more fulfilling future.
Breaking news.
To hope, to truly believe in a better tomorrow, takes a certain audacity. It requires a boldness that defies the status quo, a willingness to look beyond the immediate and envision a future filled with possibilities. Hope is not just a fleeting feeling, it is a steadfast commitment to the belief that things can and will get better. It means daring to dream big, to envision a world different from the one we see before us. It is the courage to imagine solutions to problems that seem insurmountable, to believe in the power of collective action and the potential of human ingenuity. When we hope, we are not just wishing for change, we are actively participating in the creation of that change. It means holding on to that vision, even when faced with doubt, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. The journey of hope is often fraught with obstacles and setbacks, but it is the unwavering belief in the possibility of a better future that propels us forward. It is the resilience to keep moving, to keep striving, even when the odds are stacked against us. Barack Obama, a man who embodied this audacity, reminded us that hope is the belief that our destiny will not be written for us, but by us. His journey from a community organizer to the President of the United States is a testament to the power of hope and determination. He showed us that with vision, hard work, and a collective spirit, we can overcome the greatest of challenges. By the men and women who are not content to settle for the world as it is, who refuse to accept injustice and inequality as inevitable. These are the individuals who stand up, speak out, and take action. They are the dreamers and the doers, the ones who inspire us to believe that change is possible, who have the courage to remake the world as it should be. They are the innovators who push the boundaries of what is possible, the environmentalists who fight to protect our planet, and the everyday heroes who make a difference in their communities. Their actions remind us that hope is not passive, it is a call to action. His words resonated deeply, a call to action that echoed across the nation and beyond. They inspired a movement, a collective awakening to the power of hope and the importance of taking responsibility for our future. It is a reminder that each of us has a role to play in shaping the world we want to see, and that together, we can achieve extraordinary things. Hope is not a passive emotion. It's not something we simply wish for, hoping it will magically appear. It requires action, a willingness to roll up our sleeves and work towards the future we envision. Think of hope as a bridge. On one side lies the present, with all its complexities and challenges. On the other side lies the future, shimmering with potential. Each step we take, each act of courage, each small victory, lays another brick on that bridge, bringing us closer to our desired destination. The path towards progress is rarely linear. There will be setbacks, moments of doubt, and times when the weight of the world feels heavy on our shoulders. It's in these moments that we must remember that progress is not about perfection. It's about resilience. It's about getting back up, dusting ourselves off, and continuing to move forward one step at a time. Remember the story of Malala Yousafzai, a young woman who dared to dream of education for girls in a place where it was deemed dangerous. Shot for her beliefs, she didn't back down. She rose, stronger, her voice a beacon of courage for us all. Section 5. The Power of One. Change often starts small, a ripple of hope that spreads outwards, gaining momentum. One person, driven by conviction and a desire to make a difference, can ignite a movement. Think of Rosa Parks, a woman who refused to give up her seat on a bus. Her act of defiance sparked a movement reminding us that even the smallest act of courage can have a profound impact. Never underestimate the power of one voice, one act of kindness, one person's decision to stand up for what they believe in. Section 6. United, we stand. While individual action is crucial, true progress requires collective effort. It requires communities coming together, recognizing our shared humanity, and working towards a common goal. Think of the massive effort to eradicate polio, a disease that once paralyzed thousands of children every year. It wasn't the work of one person or one organization. It was the collective effort of countless individuals, governments, and organizations working together, united by a shared purpose. Section 7. A Tapestry of Triumphs. Look around you. Everywhere you turn, there are stories waiting to be told, stories of people who have faced insurmountable odds and emerged victorious. These are not just tales of individual success, but of collective triumphs that have shaped communities and nations. The world is brimming with stories of triumph, of communities overcoming adversity, of people coming together in the face of disaster, and of the incredible strength that emerges when we unite for a common cause. These moments of unity and resilience are the threads that weave the fabric of our shared human experience. We see individuals defying the odds, achieving goals that once seemed impossible. Athletes pushing their limits, people celebrating personal milestones, each victory a testament to the power of perseverance and determination. These stories, woven together, create a vibrant tapestry of hope, a mosaic of moments that remind us of the beauty and strength of the human spirit. Each thread, each story, adds to the richness of this tapestry, making it a powerful symbol of our collective resilience. This tapestry is a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. It shows us that no matter the challenges we face, we have the capacity to overcome them, to rise above and emerge stronger than before. It is a reminder that we are never alone in our struggles, that there is always a community ready to support and uplift us. There's the story of the Chilean miners, trapped underground for months, their rescue a testament to human resilience and the power of collective hope. The world watched as a global effort brought these men back to the surface, a powerful reminder of what we can achieve when we come together. Their story is one of survival, of hope, and of the unbreakable bonds that form in the face of adversity. It is a story that continues to inspire, showing us that even in the darkest of times there is always a glimmer of light. There's the story of the people of Rwanda, rebuilding their lives after the horrors of genocide. Their commitment to peace and reconciliation is a beacon of light in the face of unimaginable darkness. It is a story of healing, of coming together to rebuild not just homes but hearts and minds. The Rwandan people have shown us that even after the most profound suffering, it is possible to find a path to peace and unity. Their journey is a powerful testament to the strength of the human spirit and the power of forgiveness. Their commitment to peace is a beacon of light in the face of unimaginable darkness. It is a story that reminds us of the importance of community, of coming together to support one another, and of the incredible power of hope and resilience. These stories remind us that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit endures, capable of remarkable acts of courage, compassion, and resilience. They show us that no matter how difficult the journey, there is always hope, always a reason to keep moving forward. We see this in the bravery of firefighters, the dedication of healthcare workers, the selflessness of volunteers, and the unwavering support of communities. These acts of courage and compassion are the threads that bind us together, creating a tapestry of triumphs that inspire and uplift us all. Compassion and resilience. These are the qualities that define us, that drive us to overcome the greatest challenges and to support one another in times of need. They are the threads that weave the tapestry of our shared human experience, a tapestry that is rich with stories of triumph, hope, and the indomitable spirit of humanity. Section 8. Igniting the flame within. Hope is contagious. It spreads through acts of kindness, through words of encouragement, through the simple act of believing in ourselves and in each other. So, ignite that flame within you. Let hope guide your actions, fuel your passions, and inspire you to strive for a better tomorrow. Embrace the audacity of hope. Believe in your ability to make a difference, no matter how small. Remember, every journey, no matter how daunting, begins with a single step. Section 9. A call to action. What will your step be? How will you contribute to the tapestry of hope? Will you lend a helping hand to a neighbor in need? Will you speak out against injustice? Will you dedicate your time to a cause you believe in? The choices are endless, and the impact of even the smallest act of kindness can be profound. Let us move forward with hope in our hearts, determination in our steps, and the unwavering belief that together we can create a brighter future for generations to come.